I do most of the programming myself. And it usually means that our machines sometimes stand still waiting for the programming to be made. And that means our investments are not currently making money. And we're trying to explore new tools to make that more efficient.
From Sender's perspective, we see that digitalization and AI technology is really transforming the industry right now. Therefore, we have spent a lot of time implementing the first level of AI solutions in some of our solutions. And we have seen that this has a huge potential to help the customers being even more efficient.
Most of the jobs should be a lot more automated. And I think AI is the way forward. And we have been using up2parts as a pilot project to see how far we can go now. up2parts give us opportunity to upload step files and drawings to make drafts of the programming. So I can focus on the more difficult operations and optimizations. Currently we use GibbsCAM for our main programming, and it's a really good software. It's also very simple to overview. For example, if I get a new employee that hasn't gotten the training yet, getting them to understand the basics of the program is very easy. So I'm very happy with it. We're always able to do the pathways we are trying to make, and still the operators find it very easy to read the programs and understand them. Also, a new tool that's been made accessible to us is that they've got a GibbsCAM Copilot. And this means that the newly employees can ask questions directly to an AI and get answers. We are trying to grow, but not necessarily in size. We're trying to grow with technology.
The AI transformation in the manufacturing industry, it's in the beginning, but there is a lot of things that will happen and a lot of new use cases coming up every day.